he, she. I'm so bored today. And to the east, it's going to be hot and lots of sun. Lovely. It's going to be hot, hot, hot. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We can go to the beach.
Yes, I'm gonna go get my bucket and spade.
Okay. Do on the way to the beach.
10 a.m.
Look how lovely it all is. The whole beach to ourselves.
10:20 a.m. 10:30 a.m. 10:40 a.m. 10:41 a.m. Oh, it's so busy now.
Ugh, I'm so angry.
How can we make people leave? An idea. It's me pretending.
I don't think that's gonna work.
Another idea. It's gonna rain. I don't think I can get any rain. Oh, here comes another idea.
You disgust me. I really worry about you sometimes.
Oh.
Let's pack up and go home.
What? I'm just making a sandcastle.